Hello guys, welcome to back a new video after a long time, means 4 5 days. The last video we discussed on conditional statement like if else and switch statement. In this video we discuss on how to use conditional statement in a program. If you last video did not seen, then this video link having in description, check out and first seen this video and after coming on the video. First we start now how to use a conditional statement in the program. Now we start first open VS Studio. That I open VS Studio. Now we write, writing a program how to use a conditional statement. I am create a new file condition dot c. Why I write dot c? Because dot c is a extension of C program. If you write C code, then any file in having the C code, you write dot c, because dot c is a C program extension to use any C code to store. Enter and the file is created dot c. Now I write here all conditional statement in a program. First I write here include, mainly common writing header file include studio.h. After I write int main. Int main is the main function of program. And start bracket, curly bracket. Here I write some identifier, some data type like int x is equal to 20, assign x value 20, int y is equal to 22. X and y two are integer data type int, and assign I value x is equal to 20 and y equal to 22. Now I write here if a conditional statement. If a conditional statement is a syntax is if, and in bracket have write condition. What is condition here? And next you write a statement. Like I write here comment. You easily understand. If in a bracket you write condition. What is the condition you write in this? If after you write here statement of the condition. Statements of condition. If your condition is true, then the statement is print. Otherwise the statement does not print and program out, program end. Now I write here if and type here condition. What is condition? I write x is less than y. That is the condition. I write here x is y then less than y. Now I write here a statement. What is statement? Print. Printf. Printf is a function. Printf quotes variable x is less than y. I write here x is less than y. If the condition is true, then print here variable x is less than y. First if you write any condition if statement, then you write here curly bracket. Curly bracket first condition write in here. After in any statement write in curly bracket. That I write here. After I write here return 0 and close curly bracket. That is all program to if condition. Control S, I saved the program. See in this, first I write header file, second the main function, third integer with data type and assign value. After I write condition, if x less than y, and I write according to syntax statement. What is statement? Print variable x is less than y. If the condition is true, then print the statement. Otherwise, your programming out does not run. Any output does not show. First, I save the program, Control S, and go to terminal, and here click new terminal. Now you want to program to run, type here gcc and enter. After you again type gcc space and your file name. Here file name is condition.c. So I write here condition dot c, your file name, and enter. When you gcc space and condition dot c is a file name, you give here a.exe is file. That is extension of file. A.exe file. It is a create a application. Now I run the application. Here you type ./a and press tab. Enter. Program is run. See here variable x is less than y. This condition statement is true. Then what is print here? X is less than y. If you are change your condition like greater than y, write here greater than y, and also write here greater than. Now save program, Control S, clear this, again run. If you want to how to create this file, again I show you, shift delete, this file is deleted. Now go terminal, new terminal, type gcc, enter, again type gcc space and your file name .c, enter. See here create a file a.exe. Before this program, after run program create a file a.exe. Now you run a.exe file, type / and a. After press tab, type / a. After press tab, automatically created the name of the file. Now enter. See this, no any output show here. Why? Because the condition of if is wrong. If your condition if is right, then print variable x is greater than y. It is the condition of if. How to write in program? You understand easily. Now we write here if else condition. If else condition. See in this, I write here else. I write here else and space. The Visual Studio Code is understand. Okay? We are write here else, then see automatically bracket and write here code. So comment, write here code. What is your code? Write here. I write here code. I write here statement. Printf variable x is less than y. Right here x is less than y /n for new line. /n for new line and semicolon. You did not forget to writing semicolon, otherwise your program does not run. Now I save the program, Control S, again run the program. The GC file does not open, I delete this file, shift delete, and run the program. Terminal, new terminal, GCC, enter GCC condition .c, enter. show error because file name is typing wrong. So clear the gcc type. Clear, yes. Now all file is clear. Now again type gcc, enter gcc and file names. Write clear full name of file and enter. See here, a.exe file created. Now I run c.a.exe file. How to run? Type here /a and press tab. After enter, see here variable. See here I write variable, not variable, by typing mistake. So here the variable x is less than y. So if condition is not true, then print here. If condition true, then print here. If condition, so easily learn easily and see here. First condition is true, then print first statement. That is known as first statement. Otherwise, if condition is not true, condition false, then after else, any have statement that print. I write here after else print variable x is less than y. Then print here. So you easily understand how to use a if and if else statement in a program. Now we discuss switch statement. How to use switch statement in a program? See here. First I clear our program. And delete terminal. Now I write here bracket. If you seen last video, then you easily understand what is the syntax of switch statement. In a switch statement, first read here what is the syntax. Syntax is first you write switch and expression. What is your expression in the program? Right here. After you write here case. Cases means you write different condition. Case first and फिर write here your statement, जो any statement. Write here statement. After you write break. Next you write case second statement फिर break. Case second statement फिर break. Otherwise you writing here more statement, more cases, and you write different condition. So now I write here first type here int a. I write here int a. Int a is equal to 2. I assign variable values is 2, and again I write here switch. What write here? Switch, right? And expression is a plus 2. What? A plus 2. I write here expression. That is expression. That is expression. Now in a bracket. Right here case first, फिर colon. Let not forget to write in your colon. Case first, after writing your colon, and in this case first you write your statement. What is statement? I write here print f case 1 colon value is which value? A, value A. Right here for printing value A, percentage D for integer. And what is type here? Variable name A. Then type A. And after last type here semicolon. This is the first cases and statement. First case and statement. After you write here break, break and semicolon. Case second, colon and type here statement. Case 2, value is for printing value integer is pressed type here percentage %d, and after colon you type same comma and write here variable name. What is variable name? N, and ending of statement type colon. Now I write here 2 only cases. After and third I write here default, default colon and write any statement. Write a statement, any statement like print print f. Seen print f statement. Now I write here after seen here first bracket we start, close the bracket, first bracket that is start and that is close. In this bracket we type here first bracket, in this bracket you written here what? Return as return 0, return 0, and control S save the program. Now go to terminal and again run program. Terminal, first will delete this file, type here gcc, again gcc, and what is file name? Condition dot c, enter, create file a.exe, type here dot slash a and press tab, enter. See here statement. Why show your statement? Because we written here a equal to 2 and switch a plus 2. What is a plus 2? 4. And here right is default in print statement f. If any condition not true, any expression not true, then show the result of here statement. You write here break, write here break. Why write a break? If your statement first is true, then coming out of the program, coming out of the program, otherwise they are not coming out of program. Senior, if I write here break is cancelled, break is deleted, then what is output? See you. And right here I what is right? Default value, default value is percentage %d, comma a, and sin control S and run file dot slash a, press tab. First clear file, enter. See here I delete the file, shift delete, go to terminal, Go to terminal, new terminal, type here gcc, enter again gcc, file name dot c, here create extension file, here extension file, right here dot slash a and press tab, enter. See here default value is 2. Why so default value is 2? Because I write here expression, in Swiss expression no any maths, no any give a condition, I write here a plus 2. So default value is 2 because I already assigned 2 value, so print here 2 value. If you more practice, more writing program, you easily understand how to use any condition statement in a program, any condition statement like if else and switch. Also have two more nested if else, if else, have more condition statement. If you use this program, more practice, you make a perfect program. If you understand easily, then like the video, subscribe channel and press bell icon for latest video update notification. Thank you. Have a nice day.